pattern fish. For this project, you need a half sheet of white paper, a pencil, and some crayons. The first thing you're going to do is take your 3 favorite colors of crayons. So I picked a red violet, a turquoise blue, and a green. And then you're going to make your paper stand up tall like a tall building, because we are going to make a pattern. My pattern is going to start with a blue wavy line. So that's my first color. Next, I'm grabbing my green. With my green, I'm going to make a long zigzag line. And then I decided I wanted mine to be a little bit thicker, so I put another zigzag line right underneath it, and then I decided to color it in so that this line would be a thick line. Next, I grabbed my red violet and I decided to do a shape this time. So I'm making circles that are going to go into a line. Now make sure that when you are making your lines, you are always using good craftsmanship. For instance, I am making that circle and I'm making sure I color it all the way in so no white parts of the paper are showing through. All the way from the left to the right. Now I'm back at the beginning again. Now I'm going to do my blue wavy line again. And after the wavy line, I'm going to do my zigzag again. Continue making your pattern until it fills up the entire page, all the way from the top to the bottom. And remember, you can make your own pattern. It doesn't have to match my pattern. Now you're going to flip over your paper and it will look like it's a long boat. And you're going to take your pencil and we're going to draw the fish. So we're going to draw a rainbow line and then we're going to stretch it down. Then we're going to go back to the beginning and we're going to make a smile line and we're going to stretch it to the top. Then you can make any kind of cool design on your fish's tail. Now I'm going to take my pencil and make a U shape here and an upside down U shape here. And you might see an X now, and we're going to take our eraser and we're going to erase that X because we don't need that part anymore. Your fish should look something like this. Next, you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut on the lines with your thumb up. So make sure you're cutting very carefully. Open, crunch, open, crunch, open, crunch. Here is my fish all cut out. Now I'm going to take my fish and I'm going to flip it back over. And I'm going to take a crayon. I chose a black crayon. You can choose whatever color you want. And I made an eye, and then I decided by its mouth I wanted it to have at least a little bit of color. And then I added on my side fin. Make sure you put the side fin on, otherwise your fish couldn't really swim. So here is my finished fish. Now make your own pattern fish. Have fun with this.